So I did a little evaluation of where my clients have been moving, and we actually had 22 people in the last 18 months that moved out of state to 14 different states. So this is just some tips on if you're planning to make a move out of state. Number one, determine the region that you'd like to stay in, and that usually includes weather. I mean, we've all been living in California for a long time. Number two, if you can narrow down the cities, that's really great. Number three, if you want to give me a call, I know agents in my 42 years all across the country, and I can probably find you a great real estate agent in each town you're looking in, okay? And number four, start your research early. Start thinking and planning this thing out. Number five, I've helped so many people relocate closer to family, relocate for jobs. I have the answers to any questions you might have regarding making us move out of state. Call me anytime. I'm always easy to reach, and I love to help you make those plans. 661-803-1662. Thanks so much.